Hey there folks, this is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 3541 Olympus Court here in Titusville. And before we get in here, I want to give a big shout out to Donna Cox with the Property Place. She is the listing agent on this amazing pool home. And yes, I said pool home, folks. I am super excited to bring you into this home built in 2003. It has 1808 square feet. So we've got a very nice size home here. And as we walk in, we do have this super cute formal dining room. We're going to take a step back because we've got the formal living room on the other side, which is always nice to have that extra living space. So as we come in here, we've got a nice closet, but we also have a pantry here. So I don't like having two pantries, folks. So check out this nice kitchen. Love this. Gotta go over here and check out. Trying not to be in the video, but I really wanted to check this out. Isn't that nice? There we go. That's what I was trying for, the light up. Very nice. So, I have been looking at kitchens to redo my kitchen recently, and those big drawers are an upgrade. So, you have some cool stuff in here. Love the kitchen. Flooring is very nice. It's got some pretty lighting in here. I know you probably are getting a glimpse of that pool out back, folks, and we're not going out there yet. We're going to go ahead and finish inside first, so you stay with me until the end. So here is the primary bedroom. Got a nice size, and we do have carpet in here. And as we go into the primary bathroom, we've got a single sink with lots of counter space. Love the counter space. We do have a soaker tub, the shower, walk-in closet, and of course, hidden little toilet room. So one more glance at that. We've got some nice drawers there, medicine cabinet up on the wall. And we are cruising through. So back out into this nice family room area. And we're going to go. I'm going to tease you just a little bit. There is your tease. As we turn around to get a nice view of the family room, the kitchen, and of course up in the front you've got your formal living room and dining room. So as we go around the corner here, we've got a nice single sink vanity, and then as we go further in, we've got shower tub combo. That's kind of cool. I think it turned on by itself. We've got our washer and dryer here with some shelving above that. And while we're here, might as well take a quick peek. Oh, is my light gonna go on? Oh, that one. I figured it out. So, quick peek of the garage. Why I keep putting my daggone finger in your video. You don't want to see me. Any parts of me, daggone it. So, as we go in here, we've got another bedroom. So that is bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. We do have a hall closet there. And then we're going to go out to the fun part. Yay! So we've got a nice spa area, nice pool. It's so nice out here. It's actually really, really hot out here. I would love to go for a quick swim, but they really frown upon that when I'm videoing it. So folks, that is Titusville High School over there behind us. So if you are a football fan, you can be sitting in your pool, drink in your hand, listening to the game. One more gander. Having a hard time resisting, feeling the water. We're gonna take a little walk. Pool equipment. Nice fence all the way around the yard, which is amazing. And I know I mentioned the school was right there, but we are off on a little side street, so you don't have to worry about any of the school traffic being an issue for you here. So folks, we're gonna hang out here in the kitchen so that you can keep looking at this gorgeous area while you hear me chat. Again, folks, we're at 3541 Olympus Court here in Titusville. This home was built in 2003, and it is 1808 square foot. It's got a formal living and dining room, plus it's got the family room, completely updated and super, super nice. Got 9-foot ceilings. It's got ceiling fans. It's got hurricane impact windows, which means you can't hear a daggone thing from in here when you're in the house. It's got porcelain tile, wood-looking floors, and an updated kitchen. AC is a 2020, water heater 2020, roof in 2017. Got ADT security system. So all kinds of updates. And I'm going to give you one more look at that floor, folks, because I really, really like it. It's got a really nice look to it. Really, really does. So again, one more shout out to the listing agent for allowing us to come in here and do this video so that you can see the full length home. And that is Donna Cox with the Property Place. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We really appreciate this. If you would like to see this home, have any questions, you can call Donna or you can call me, Margaret Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor at 321-480-7662. So this is going to be Margaret Klein signing off. But before I go, just wanted you to have one more quick glimpse of that pool. Thanks so much for following along, folks, and don't forget to subscribe.